So guys, I have heard a lot about disabilities in students. There are certain students who have disability related to stammering or maybe some related to hearing. So what is the problem here? What do we need to do? Can't you give IELTS exam? Definitely you can give IELTS exam. I had a word with one of the top executives in IDP as well as in British Council, and I asked about each and every detail related to disabilities. What do you need to do if you have a certain disability? Can you give exam or not? So definitely the answer is yes, you can give exam, but you have to submit the documentations prior. Let's say you have you have a problem in one of the modules. You are facing problem in one of the modules only, and that is speaking module. In this particular case, once you have booked the exam, after the booking of the exam, you need to send a mail to IDP or British Council. As far as the mail ID of IDP is concerned, it is ielts.india@idp.com. You'll see the same on the screen as well. ielts.india@idp.com. ielts.india@idp.com. So you need to send a mail here once you are done with the booking, and you can just send the mail related to your problem in speaking. Let's say you're facing problem in stammering. Due to stammering you are unable to speak fluently, stammering की आपको problem आती है, or you have some problem related to hearing कि आप like if a person is speaking slowly you won't be able to hear. So the team will arrange, the IDP or British Council, they'll arrange certain set of equipments in order to make the experience for you viable and sustainable. So this is something they'll be doing for you, but for this you need to send the mail prior to the exam. So the day you book the exam, you need to send the mail along with the details of your details of your exam date, exam venue. A venue you will definitely not get to know, but you will get to know exam date, your full name, the module which you are booking the exam for, be it academic or GT. This is something you need to send in the mail along with the problem you have. I'll recommend you to attach a medical record in the you'll download it and you'll just attach and send it in the file. So you just need to send the mail regarding all these details in order to have IELTS exam conducted according to your way. Now talking about more than one module. Let's say you are not facing problem only in speaking. You do not have problem only in the speaking. अगर किसी को hearing problem है, so in that particular case he'll not face problem in speaking only. He'll face problem in listening as well. So what do they need to do? They'll have to they'll have to do prior arrangements in order to make the experience viable for you. So this is something you need to inform before booking the exam. So you need to send the mail on the same mail ID to IDP, and you'll send the mail informing about the problems you have and how you cannot be able to do listening and speaking. So after this they'll talk to top managements and they'll see what best can be done for you, and on the basis of that you'll receive a mail and then only you can do the booking. So never be in rush to do the booking. If you'll go directly to the venue, guys, let's say you have done the booking and now you're going to the venue to give exam. So once you'll be at the venue and you're depositing some medical record or you're depositing one thing or the other, then it won't be of any help. So it's better you do each and everything prior to the exam or maybe during the time of the booking. This is very important step for you to know, because it's not an exam which will cost you somewhere around 1,000 or 2,000 only. You will be wasting your 13,500 rupees. So you should know each and everything in detail. Take care of this, and I know you will do well in exam. They'll try to do, IDP and British Council, they'll try to do whatever best they can do. So I wish you best of luck. In case you have any other problem, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely tell you each and everything. Thank you so much, and do share it with your friends whom you feel are facing difficulty because of this thing. Thank you so much.